Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to download and install fonts on your Pixellab app. So you won't have to use or get stuck with the ones that came with the app. So let's get right into it. On your screen you are seeing a website, theanndesign.com. This is where you can get some of your fonts for free. Just all you have to do is just download it and just watch the process. So we have this page. So you can see there are different families of fonts here. You have the fancy, foreign, any type of font you want is here. Let's look at serif fonts. So you can see them here. You can see them there. A lot. Look at sans serif. Okay, so I would like to download this this font. Looks nice. So you can see the download option here. It's a zip file, so we'll just download it. And then we open the file we just downloaded. Open it with File Manager. And then we go to, they said extract files to, I want to extract it to font. So we extract it here. You can see other fonts that I've downloaded previously. So we extract it here. And there we have it. Isn't it TF? So now we open our Pixellab app. Then we tap on text here. New text. So let's just say, let me write introduction to Pixellab. Oh, okay. Let's use how to install font. Yeah, this text is just basic. So now in order to change it or to install the font we already downloaded, we'll come to font here. This is the option of font. Come here. Go to my fonts. As you can see, I've downloaded some fonts already, but let's look for the one that I just downloaded. So you come here, look for fonts. The name of the font that I just downloaded was Bridge. So see it here. Come here. And then you add directory. See it here. This is the font that I just downloaded. You can see it. So that's just how you can basically download fonts online and then install them into your Pixellab app. That's the process you make use of. It doesn't take time, it's not hard. And that's it for this tutorial. So you can now download and install any font you love anywhere, any source. You can just download it and bring it to your Pixellab app. Please note that there are some fonts that you download and then you see various families in it. This is what I mean. See this font here, MOZ̅RT. There's MOZ̅RT regular, italic, thin, all these plenty variations. That's what I mean by families. So you can see some fonts like that. So in the process of downloading more fonts, so just take note of that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.